Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will show you how to get Reddit Premium. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, launch Reddit Premium. Then you can see there are many options. Click on your profile option at top right corner. Then click on three vertical lines at top right corner. You can see their settings option. Click on it. Then click on Get Premium option. You can see there two plans. Select anyone as you wish. Then click on confirm yearly subscription. Then click on visa option. Click on add credit or debit card. Then enter there your information. Then click on save card. Finally guys, in this way you can easily get Reddit Premium.